Evening everyone, this is ClickASnap My Journey video 3 or video 4 if you want to class the last one, seeing as a quick look at the new tools that they're bringing out for products. So what's happened over the last 7 or 8 days? Well, I've continued to upload. I've got a few more followers, more likes and stuff, so I'm just going to show you what's gone on in the last week or 8 days, I think it is. So last time I did a video, basically we were here, as you can see, 120 subscribers. So basically in a week or so we've gone up to 138. Photos have gone up quite a lot. Photo views have gone up a lot. It's all gone up, but this is the most important bit. So I'm now on 165, so that's $1.65. Like I've said to you before, it's not going to make me retire by a long way, but it is shown that you can make a bit of money on the side from just viewing or getting your photos viewed. Excuse me. This was checked tonight, just before I started this video at 8 o'clock. The conversion rate I've done here, basically I've done it at $1.25 per pound. So in pounds and pence I've made £1.32. That's after basically what, 22 days I think I've been on the site, or 21 and a half days or something like that. So what's new? Well, I've been chatting to Tom, who's the CEO of the company, basically just about what they've got planned in the future, how many users they use and stuff like that. Now Tom's basically turned around and said they have around about 22,000 photographers on the site at the moment, which is a lot, and around 7 million photos. So there's a lot of photos on there, so this is why descriptions, I would have thought, when you're uploading things, is a must. So I've just been uploading everything and anything you can think of, from birds to landscapes, but descriptions are the thing that are going to get things viewed more than anything else, because they will go on to Google Analytics or be picked up by Google as they would do any other photo that's put on Facebook or Instagram or anything like that, which is something else that people might search for, and you've got a chance of it coming up on a Google search. Like I said, getting back to some of the figures that Tom's quoted me, they have around about 50,000 sessions, so that's for individual people going onto the site every month. Yeah, so that's unique users. There's about 1 million photos viewed per month, so working the math out, it's about 20 photos per person per visit. Which might not sound a lot, but if it's 20 of your photos, then you're making money. Even if it's one of your photos, you're making money. And that's basically what the premise of this site is. List your photos, you can do it for free, 7 uploads a day. They've just done basically a site update. They had a few problems with the uploads, that's now sorted. They had a few product things that they had to sort out, and they've sorted that out as well. So the average person usually stays on the site for around 10 minutes. So in then 10 minutes they might be viewing 20 photos, they might be viewing 40 photos, who knows. You'll never be able to pin it down, but like I say, Tom said they stay on and usually see about 20 photos, which isn't too bad. Tried to quiz them on things that they've got coming up. It's like trying to get blood out of a stone, but what he has said is that they're hoping to get the marketplace totally automated. So basically when you do a photo, put it on, basically you'll only have to click on what products you want. Your products will be stored. That's something else that I've brought up. When you do it now, there's no way for you to save your pricings. So basically you could be putting different pricings if you haven't wrote them down. You could be putting different prices in for different photos, but they're hopefully going to put some kind of default for yourself so you can hopefully save it so you don't have to think about it. But the two things that they're trying to get done, like I say, hopefully before Christmas, fingers crossed and all that, is get the marketplace totally automated and have Google Analytics basically for the pro accounts. Now that's both for the pro accounts. One thing I want to say to you all, if you are on this site at the moment, and if you are using this site, even if you are using it as a free member, would you be on the pro account? 2 seconds and I'll just go and I'll show you what I'm talking about. See, I'm on a pro account, so and don't worry about this is just basically someone trying to attack the site, but they're sorting it. So on the pro account you basically get this, yeah, watermarkless image protection. Now I brought it up with Tom about that should be across the board, me personally, and this is why. If you start off here and you upload loads of photos, they're all watermarked, yeah, and then decide a month or two down the line that you might want to go and sell your photos. When you go to sell your photos, they're basically all going to be watermarked. So that means you're going to have to either upload your photos again with no watermark, which will be a pain in the ass if you've been doing it for a year. It's 7 photos a day. You work the math out. It's about 21,000 photos or something stupid like that. Sorry, 2,100 photos. Yeah. So I said that should be across the board. Excuse the background, it's just a cat crying. But that should be across the board. Now, if you're a user of the site, what level you're at, leave a comment below, and I'll try and answer your questions if you've got any. But would you be more willing to part with money or even to upload more photos without watermarks if this was across the board? And we're talking about this part here. If this was right across the board, so you basically, the technology they've got is you can't right click on a photo, you can't screenshot the photo, it won't allow you to. I'll try and find the video link and I'll put it in the description below so you can see how Tom goes about it and what basically you can and can't do, or can't do basically. But leave a comment below if you're a free user or any subscription level. Leave a comment below. Would you be more likely to spend a bit more money if this was across the board? Or, you know what I mean, just leave a comment. And that's about it, guys. Like I say, it's just a short video just to update you on how things are going. And basically, yeah, we're making some money. I've had no sales as of yet, but when it comes down to the sales, Tom said that I can't remember the exact figures he said, but most of the sales are downloads, and they're averaging out at around £2 a download. So that's some indication, you know what I mean, 2 downloads, 3 downloads a month, and basically this is paid for. But that's if you're a seller by all accounts, you know what I mean. Anyway, keep on watching. As things progress through the site and through my thingy, I will be listing more videos, and look out, you never know, I might sell something, could be nice. Until next time, guys, have fun, get subscribed, give us a thumbs up, a like, and share it around. See you later. Bye now.